3, 2, 1.
What 1994 Academy Award-winning movie was set in the U.S. state of Montana? The answer is C. Legends of the Fall. Who is known as the goddess of love and beauty in Roman mythology? The answer is A. Venus. What is the surface area of a rectangular prism with length 5 units, width 3 units, and height 2 units? The answer is D. 120 square units. Which psychological term refers to a fear of open spaces? The answer is A. Agoraphobia. What is the successor of COBOL programming language? The answer is D. Ruby. Which tool helps to mix paints or cement? The answer is D. Mixing paddle. What famous band founded the Apple Records label in 1968? The answer is D. The Beatles. Which game has the tagline, "Epic battles, lasting friendships"? The answer is C. Paladins. What do farmers raise nutrias for? The answer is A. Their fur is very valuable. What can be broken without being held?
The answer is D. Time.
What does existentialism focus on? The answer is D. Existence and freedom. What rotates on its axis every 24 hours, just like Earth? The answer is D. Moon. Which late comedian does the following quote belong to? "I'm a comedian and poet, so anything that doesn't get a laugh is a poem." The answer is A. Bill Hicks. What animal is known for changing its coat every year? The answer is C. Arctic fox. What is the value of EI asterisk pi in Cartesian plane? The answer is D. I. Which planet has a volcano that erupts sulfur and liquid carbon dioxide? The answer is A. Venus. Which search engine was launched in 1998? The answer is C. Google. Which animal can rotate its neck 360 degrees? The answer is D. Ostrich. Which body part helps roundworm prevent their body from expanding? The answer is D. Tough cuticle covering. Which land feature is most likely the result of a glacier? The answer is B, deep, bowl-shaped lake. Who designed the Parthenon in Athens? The answer is D, Roman IV, Iktianos. Which instrument is played by blowing air through a hollow reed? The answer is B, trumpet. What term is used to describe the ability to change or move matter? The answer is B, energy. What is always hungry and always thirsty, but never eats or drinks? The answer is A, ghosts. TVT. Lester Hummel was played by which of these actors in the Gomer Pyle Show? The answer is C, William Christopher. Which weather system brings heavy rain and high winds to Europe? The answer is A, a nor'easter. Which tool is used for turning bolts or nuts? The answer is C, wrench. What is coniology the study of? The answer is C, atmospheric dust and its effects. What chambers are responsible for pumping blood out of the heart? The answer is C, ventricles. What forms when water in the atmosphere condenses on dust particles suspended in the air? The answer is D, clouds. Which element has a boiling point lower than room temperature? The answer is D, neon. Adipose is a connective tissue made up of cells called what? The answer is D, adipocytes. What is the name of the ceremonial war dance of the Maori people of New Zealand? The answer is A, haka. What is a deficit in economics? The answer is D, debt. What is the fastest land vehicle in Forza Motorsport? The answer is D, SSC Tuatara. Which theory in psychology emphasized the role of conditioning in behavior? The answer is A, behaviorism. What was the name of the main criminal in the series Hawaii Five-0, played by the American actor Kai Dihei? The answer is C, Wo Fat. Which sport uses a tennis racket? The answer is A, badminton. Zinc reacting with hydrochloric acid produces bubbles of which gas? The answer is C. Hydrogen. What is the berry-like fruit of a tomato plant? The answer is D. Tomato. What is the process by which DNA copies itself during cell division? The answer is C. Replication. When did VH1 Storytellers premiere? The answer is D. 1996. In the lungs, air is diverted into smaller and smaller passages called what? The answer is D. Bronchi. What is a set of rules that guides how a country should work? The answer is A. Constitution. Which hormone regulates hunger and satiety? The answer is C. Insulin. Which star appears to twinkle more than others? The answer is D. Vega. Which country has the most seats in the United Nations Security Council? The answer is B. China. Special Agent Johnny Utah, played by Keanu Reeves in Point Break, is a former quarterback for what university? The answer is C. Ohio State. What is the sin that murdered John Doe saves for last in the 1995 movie Seven? The answer is D. Wrath. Which movie features a snowy chase with a train?